Meaning of funeral director.
Funeral director.
Funeral director.
Funeral director.
Funeral director. A funeral director is a professional who provides services related to end-of-life rituals and the disposal of human remains. They often work with grieving families to arrange funerals, memorials, and cremations. Funeral directors may also handle administrative tasks such as obtaining death certificates and arranging transportation. Their role requires compassion, attention to detail, and the ability to handle sensitive situations. Funeral directors help families navigate the difficult process of saying goodbye to a loved one in a respectful and meaningful way.